Hi everybody, I'm Eva Longoria. You probably don't recognize me without lashes and makeup. I am gonna walk you through my skincare routine that I do every day. And then I'm gonna do my everyday makeup look, which may be a lot for some of you guys because I'm Latina. I wear a full face of makeup every day. I just want you to know this is my Sofia Ricci bun. I do this almost every day now because it looks so chic. Oh my God, I need hoops. Okay, that's better. I am gonna start with my hyaluronic acid. I taught the world how to say hyaluronic acid. And this hyaluronic acid is for like plumping, refreshing, filling in those fine lines. I use this Augustinus Bader face oil. I couple that with the Augustinus Bader Rich Cream. I tend to have dry skin. I'm like normal to dry. I use my Faceify machine to depuff my skin. So I like to get in here to kind of contour my cheekbones. You wanna go towards your lymphatic glands to get all this liquid and water and puffing out of your face. Get it out. I love taking care of my skin. I like the way it feels. I feel like I'm pampering myself every day in my bathroom. And then I use my Revitalith eye serum. I love this applicator because it has these little balls and they feel so good. As you get older, ladies, you have to prep your skin, specifically your under eyes. I'm kind of generous with that because then over it, I lay my Augustinus Bader eye patches. I am one of 4 girls and literally the only beauty advice my mom gave me was shave your legs with soap and water. And I think I used Ivory soap on my face for the first 25 years of my life. It's so dry in LA right now. And I love this Laneige lip mask. I don't even know how I'm talking to you guys without this on. I like to say an affirmation with my jasmine oil. I put it on my heart, a drop on my heart. It smells so good. I go clockwise and I have positive thoughts about being the light today for anybody that encounters me. Some sunblock. I never do less than 50. One thing I'm into lately, which I can't believe I just discovered, are these Lumi Glotions. And I know it looks a little dark now, but it will match. So I'm gonna start with my eyes while everything is cooking, and I like to start with a little concealer on my eyelids. I don't like to powder a lot. I don't like to bake, the whole baking thing, that's not for me. Especially as you get over 40, all those fine lines, that powder just gets in those fine lines. For my everyday look, I kind of go super light. This is my jam right here. I use more of a nudie brown. There's a little sparkly one. Sometimes I'll put that right on the brow bone. So it'll make my eyebrows pop. And then I'll go in with not too dark, but just a transition color on my lid. I grew up as the ugly duckling in my family because my sisters are blonde, hazel eyes, light skinned, and I came out black hair, dark skin, black eyes. And La Preta Fea means ugly dark one, although it is a term of endearment. And my family called me that. I thought my name was Fea. And I blossomed really late. I grew up without this relationship to beauty. Kind of wasn't my thing. And I was got it, I'm not beautiful, I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna be funny. And I think that's why I became an actress, because I was I'm so funny. I'm so funny, you guys. So I found my identity in so many other things. I never identified as beautiful. I kind of still don't. I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm gonna use this it's called Firecracker, but it's kind of a bronzy, shimmery. It's so funny because when I got People Most Beautiful, my sisters were why? Nothing like family to ground you. Assholes. I am gonna go in with some brown eyeliner in here, and I'm obsessed with Victoria Beckham's satin Kajal liner. This is in color Cocoa, and I like to put it in the lash line above. So I've just put it a little bit on the lash line, like really into the lashes. And then I'm gonna smudge it out with some eyeshadow powder. I'm getting like one of this chocolate brown color with a really narrow brush, and I'm just moving that eyeliner out. I'm obsessed with my Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil. The point is so thin, it's so tiny that it looks like strokes of hair. What my makeup artist taught me was to like outline first. So you like outline everything and then you fill it in. Look at that, look at those brows. I'm really into tinted foundations right now that are like not so heavy. I'm having a skin moment, like my skin looks pretty good lately, so I want it to show and breathe. Today I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown in Golden 3. I'm just gonna put, look at me, it's just like a lotion. So look, it looks a little darker than it should. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous, everybody. I've had the normal skin challenges when I was young with breakouts and stuff, but I never had like acne or any of those problems because like I said, my skin's pretty dry. What I did have was a lot of discoloration when I was pregnant. I mean, the hormones, I had like a raccoon mask and a mustache. Literally had a mustache. And I was like, this is never gonna go away. And so I used to wear a lot of foundation because I wanted to correct all of it, and I had to like cover these huge hyperpigmentation all over. And now I don't have them anymore. I don't know what happened. Well, I had a baby and it's out of my body. Infallible concealer, and I put it right where I have the dark spots. And you want to put this anywhere you want to brighten. Put it a little bit here, a little bit here, but mostly there. I'm obsessed with this brush from It Cosmetics. It's like the perfect like firmness. I use many different kinds of creamy bronzers. Right now I'm using Mario in medium dark. Oh my God, don't look at this. This is like, Mario's gonna kill me. I like to bronze up just the outside of my face. So I wanna look snatched. Is that what the kids are saying, you guys? I'm using the Mario cream blush. This one is just peachy. I like to put it just on the apple of my cheek. And also a makeup artist taught me when I was shooting, she puts it a little higher, like really high, and it kind of lifts the, and then, you know, here is new right now, this whole like sunburn look. I don't like that look too much, but I oblige, you know, I want to stay trendy. I'm so excited. This is coming out so well. So I'm gonna put a little highlighter here. All right, the other amazing product I love from Victoria Beckham is her bronzer. I like to set my cream bronze with the powder bronze, so it kind of stays all day. And I kind of mix both of her colors. I was gonna go light today, you guys, but that does not look like it's happening. You guys, they have chosen, I'm just gonna put a little bit more concealer. They have chosen to do this video before I'm picking up my son from school. So I am gonna show up as the hottest mom out there. Be like, bam! Hey, what's his homework? Again, I use so many blushes. Today I'm gonna use this Hot Mama. RMS Beauty Tinted Unpowder. That's what she calls it, the unpowder, because it's not powdery, but it sets everything in like the most beautiful way. It's so finely milled. I mean, it's like, it just goes poof. I wish you could see that. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm a girly girl. I like makeup, I like dresses, and I was nervous as I started directing, like, oh, I'm gonna have to tone it down. I should maybe I shouldn't wear so much makeup to set, or maybe I should not wear some lashes. And then I was like, no, I'm gonna be me. I'm gonna show up with my full self. And I remember talking to Elizabeth Banks about it, because she's, you know, actor turned director, and she was like, I wear dresses. Like, I wasn't gonna be like, let me dress like one of the guys. Like, she wears dresses when she directs, and so many women on set see that and they appreciate it, and they're like, wow, we love how you are 100% in your femininity as you're taking charge of this set. And I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, lashes. Should I do my lips first? I love a good lip liner, and I ask a lot of my lip liners. I need it to be creamy, but like stay in place, long wearing, but not chalky. My lip liner of choice right now is Victoria Beckham in shade number 5. and kind of mush it. Getting that chola vibe, which I like. I grew up with this because my mom wears a red lip. I used to grab her Color Riche and it has the most beautiful scent. This is 815 ginger spice. And then I'm gonna do toasted almond in the center. Now, you could do mascara and be done, or you can put lashes. Life is more fun with lashes. So my makeup artist, she introduced me to Lashify, which is a lash extension system that you can do at home. I'm gonna use C10 and C12. So I like to go short here and then longer in the top. Then I'm gonna take this other side, which is this like white glue. You put a drop. And I'm gonna grab my C10 first off the little thing, and you pick it up and you push your thing back and put it on like that. And then you smash them down. Ta-da! My last touch for the makeup is a gloss. I'm just gonna put right in the center, right here, and I love this Fenty Glow. She has great glosses. This is my Victoria Beckham Portofino. All right, I have to go pick up my son, looking fly. All the moms are gonna be jealous. Thank you for being with me today.